Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make coffee using date seed. So we are going to start by frying the seed. Stir from time to time. Wow! See, I finished frying it. It was bringing out oil. I never knew that date seed have oil. Don't mind me, I like doing experiments. So after frying, let's leave it to cool. Let me pound it. The date seed can be very strong, but once you fry it, it becomes soft. So let me use this sieve to sieve it out. There's it. Looks like chocolate brownish. I'm going to pound this one again. I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to pound it again. Pound it very well and turn it. So this is it. Let me try to make it. Here's my hot water. A drop just like this. I'm going to add my sweetener. This time I will not package the sweetener inside this type of container. I'll put it in a wider container where I can easily use spoon to take. Let me taste it. That's very nice. Very natural. Mama. So I'm going to make another one to add my milk, homemade instant milk powder. Mama. Mama. Yes, my love. Mama. This quantity. I'll reduce it. Quantity to put. Mama. And then a spoonful of the milk. Mama. Mama. Yes, love. Wait. Can see add sweetener. Mama. Wow, he loves it. He went to call his sister. You want more? My son likes it so much. Very nice. It's like he has finished it again. Mama. This is the one with the milk. Mama. That's very sweet. My son wants more. Oh my God. Mama. So delicious. Mama. Give him the one with the milk. It's hot. Like it, the one with the milk too. Let me also give my daughter. How is it? Do you like it?
Yes.
Is it sweet?
Yes.
Let me also give her the one with the milk. Do you like it?
Yes.
Which one is sweeter? This one or the first one?
This one.
The two of them, they are sweet. You like it, eh?
Yes.
Okay. So guys, my children all like it. You can give it a try. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you in my next video. We love you.